Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is the Clueless Bartender. For those new here, let me introduce myself. My name is NJ. I have started this channel almost 3 years ago, November 2021, in the middle of the pandemic. I'm not a real bartender. I don't know anything about bartending or mixing drinks. During that time, I just wanted something to do. It was in the middle of the pandemic and wala akong magawa. I was so bored. Bawal lumabas. Sarado lahat ng mga bars and restaurants. And I figured if I wanted to learn something different, learn something new. Also, I wanted to drink so bad. Ako na lang gagawa ng sarili kong mga drinks. Learning how to do some cocktails by trying to invent cocktails using the ingredients na meron na ako dito sa bahay. Sobrang limited ng alam ko that time. Pero okay lang kasi natuto naman ako ng mga basic cocktails. If you wanna watch my early episodes of making cocktails, click right here. Eventually, na-discover ko yung mga Pinoy craft beers and it opened a lot of possibilities and a lot of excitement. Na-discover ko na nandun pala talaga yung hilig ko sa Pinoy craft beers. And through the years, I've tasted a lot of Pinoy craft beers. Noong 2022, nakatikim ako ng mga more than 30 or almost 40 Pinoy craft beers. Tapos what I did was I compiled my top 10 best craft beers of 2022. If you want to watch that video, click here. Okay, so what are we doing today? Today, in this episode, I'm going to taste this Coffee Porter, Cafe Porter by Marks and Tony Brewing Company. I've met the brewer of this particular brand many times sa mga craft beer events. Marami na ako natikman na gawa nitong brewer na. And this is the first time na makakatikim ako ng kanyang Coffee Porter with cold brew, Apo Davao Coffee Concentrate. Look at that, 8%. Ang taas niyan. Ang Red Horse is only 6.9% ABV and they call it strong beer. Can you imagine kung gaano kataas itong 8% ABV? I'm really excited to taste this one kasi actually, ang mga nagiging paborito ko na craft beer ay yung mga may itim, yung mga porters and stouts and dark lagers. Okay, let's go. Ano pang hinihintay natin? Buksan na natin. Okay, nice. The color is nice. It's very dark and it's a little bit brownish. Napapansin ko, wala siyang head. Wala siyang bula. Maybe it's because of the canning. This was canned, I think, tama ba yung label? It's April 2024. Oh, the smell is so good. Ang bango. Aside from the coffee notes, I am sensing a little bit of asim and chocolatiness. But, ang overwhelming nung amoy ng sweetness. Masarap amoy yan. Okay, game. Tikman na natin. Yes. Ang sarap. Ang unang impression ko, although it's just a sip, immediately I can feel and I can sense na mataas yung alcohol niya. I can already sense the tingling sensation. You know na mataas ang alcohol content kapag may lasang alcohol. I have tasted many different coffee stouts before na medyo mababa ang ABV, 5% to 5.5%. Yun, hindi mo masyadong malalasahan yung tusok-tusok ng alcohol. I call it tusok-tusok because it's that tingling sensation ng alcohol sa loob ng bibig. Ito, immediately I can feel it. Alright, the flavors. The flavors is very complicated. Salo-halong flavor ng asim, bitterness, and sweetness. Ang taas ng alcohol niya. Feeling ko pag naubos ko tong isang baso na to, isang 330 ml, feeling ko mabilis ako malalasing. I can already feel the buzz and the alcohol sensation. Umaakit na agad sa face ko. Ganun siya kabilis. Okay, is this something that I will drink often? To be honest, no. Because well, unang-una, ang taas ng alcohol. I'd like my beers to be just right, yung alcohol content niya. The flavors itself and the sensation it gives me, I like it very much. Masarap siya. Gusto ko siyang inumin, gusto ko siyang namnamin. But this is something maybe for special occasions lang, not for casual everyday drinking. Nabili ko tong can na ito sa online store called Drink It Now Pare. Aside from their online store, meron din silang physical store sa San Juan, Metro Manila. Kung gusto nyo makatikim ng mga iba't ibang klase ng Pinoy craft beers, check out their store. Drink It Now Pare. By the way, kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe dito sa channel, The Clueless Bartender, please hit the subscribe button down below. And if it's not too much to ask, pakipindot na rin yung like button dito sa video na to. And if you wanna watch more videos of Pinoy craft beer tasting and craft beer reviews, go to my channel. Marami pa akong mga video na kagaya nito. And if you're curious about more Pinoy coffee-flavored craft beers, check out this video. This is an episode where I tasted a couple of coffee stouts. When I started this channel, nung bago pa lang ako nagsasalita sa camera, I was so awkward. Actually, ang awkward ko pa din naman hanggang ngayon.